kill switch. Alright, here's the kill switch.
What are you doing?
I don't know, I'm not getting it on because I can't see.
Here's how you do it, you doofus. You just go, and then flip that up.
Yeah, it's up, isn't it?
It'll click.
Well, don't break it. There it goes.
Right there.
Jeez.
Cheese.
I had to edit that one.
Why?
There's a kill switch.
There's a kill switch. Hey, guys, there's a kill switch.
Yeah, jeez, come on.
Hey, did you know that that's a kill switch?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's a kill switch. You gonna edit that part?
Yeah, probably.
Oh man.
Maybe, I don't know. Subscribe. See it, black and yellow, black. That's the kill switch on this one. If you look up here, black, black, yellow. You see again, black, yellow. For that's a Mercury. Evanry kill switch. Again, there's black, yellow. And then this is our ground. Kind of what I'll show. You know, this is the lanyard. Here's your lanyard. So black, black, yellow. Alright, you guys. So I don't know who it was. I had a viewer a while back ask me, you know, about doing a video on a kill switch. So I finally, I had an opportunity, and I'm like, man, I should probably film this. So what I have is, it's an old OMC, Johnson Evanry, it's all the same. Kill switch. And so on Mercury, it's may be different, but not really. So what it is the engine itself is ground controlled, whether it's kills the engine or the engine keeps running. So when the engine sees ground, then it shuts off. Whenever there's no ground present, then you know the power pack can still fire. So typically, like on our key, we have a black wire, and then like on Johnson Evanry, we have a black and yellow wire that goes back to the engine. When the black wire, passes to the black and yellow, you have that ground. It's going back to the engine. The power pack sees it, and I guess shunts off the power to the power pack. Anyway, to demonstrate this, I kind of have this set up, and I don't know, we're gonna do our best to try to show you, but I have this situation where I have this old Skeeter Wrangler, right? And it has this remote. So I've got the handle off. I've got it all apart because we're going to replace the cables. Alright, so it doesn't have a kill switch. So what I did, I have my meter out and any kind of digital multimeter. So I have a MUS tool, and you can even, hopefully you guys can see if we get whatever ohmage, but I have it set on continuity test, so it has a as soon as you touch ground, it's gonna sound. So our black wire on our key switch was wire there I have just going to our black lead of our meter, and that's ground. And we could even test that all the way back to the battery, but I don't need to because I know it works, right? So I know it's there. I know that's ground. And then our black and yellow is way over here. We can just take our red lead to find continuity, and with the key in the off position, this is the off position, then we can come. I've got it connected right here, so you can hear it. You can hear it. I'll leave my kill switch here alone, just so you can see what's happening. But So we can tell, like right now, you know, we have continuity. We turn the key to the on position. There's no ground now going back to the engine. Alright, so that's a simple key switch, and then we're going to add in our kill switch because we want it to, you know, be affected by, you know, like if the engine's running, right? So it's not like it is a switch, but it's going to operate slightly different. So we're going to have ground. We're going to go from the ground side. We're going to go through our kill switch, and this is just a kill switch that I bought some time ago, and I thought, well, at some point maybe I'll have a use for it. We're going to go through this switch, and so if we take our red meter, at this point we can tell, okay, we have no continuity, and then when I pull this, now we have continuity, and it's allowing the ground to pass. So what we need to do is put it across, the leads of the black and the yellow and black. So you could think of it as like they're in parallel with each other. Okay, so if I just do like this, and then I'm just using this as our you know, I can even touch, like say I touch this right here, and I turn the key on, we still have signal going over to here. Turn the key off, we don't have signal. If I go to the kill switch and I pull the lanyard, now we got signal. So hope that makes sense. If this is pulled, ground is allowed to pass, and it goes to this side of our switch, which goes out to the motor. Anyway, I hope that makes sense, but that is what's happening here. And I'm just trying to rig up a kill switch for him because he is like 84 years old, and you know, we want to make him safe out there. You know, that's really what's going on. You know, we're allowing the ground to pass, and then it's killing the motor. The power pack knows that it sees that ground. It's not allowing any more fire. I don't know if that went well or not. Oh, I don't know if I forgot to show you, but there's the old, he's got part of it. The other part's missing. You know, I don't know if it does on the other side. Skeeter Boats Wrangler. Yeah, there it is. Skeeter Wrangler. This side looks great. Manufactured by Skeeter Products. It's kind of flexing on him. I don't know. It's pretty cool though.